So we can type info module, okay, module info, info directly, info, to show you the information about these modules. Okay, it is a kind of harvesters OS, and author team Thomas, and so far you read all the information. So what we can do now, we need to load this module, right? I already loaded this and we need to use it. How to use it? Just double click the tab buttons, then we need to make options. You see, options, and we need to make, if you don't know, double click the tab we have set, then we need to double tap again, source. Now we need to put our source. Okay, I will make Google, for example, .com, enter. After that we need to run. If you don't know, again double tap, where is run? Okay, it's available, because first, just to recap for you, first after we install the module using marketplace, then we go to modules and load that module. After that, the module name is Brox. After that, we need to make the options to set the source. The source, for example, if hackers using source, will be the victim. He need to attack or gather information and whatever. Okay, so we are doing here just information gathering, nothing to attack, just as education purpose. So what we'll do after options set the source, we need to run what? Run this module. Module is designed to gather information using HOIS. Okay, now run. Then we'll gather information. I will make Control C to close the session. Because already I gather information, no need to take more time, just to show you. Now, double tap, we have many other options. We need to show, okay, then double tap, show what? The contacts, as last time. These contacts will be collected from the Google, okay, that one. If you companies or domain, enter, show you, okay, wait a minute, double tap, we have domain, let's say vulnerabilities, because we are not using module for vulnerabilities. Let's talk about contacts, okay, or companies, enter, contacts, enter, okay. Just we choose the contacts because we gather information from Google itself, okay, not Amazon. Go to Google, the last one, Google, this last one, okay, Google. The other things we can make sure if you run different modules can relate leaks, other modules related to host, to locations, to ports, to profile, to push, to vulnerabilities, and so far. Okay. Just now we need to type back to return back to previous or state. Okay. Now we need to run new modules. How to run? We don't have. We need to install first, right? Marketplace, install. First we need to make search, because we don't know the name of the module. We need to search. We need search about discovery. Okay. Enter. We have two modules for discovery. We have this one, and we'll take the second one, discovery for interesting files. This will show you files in the websites. Okay, now I can make marketplace, install, then we copy that one and we just now run. Already we have the modules. How to load it? By modules. Load the same name of that one. Okay, copy selection and enter. So we already run the interesting files modules. We are inside. So now we need to do what? We need to make options. If you don't know, again, double click the tab buttons. We go to options. We need why options? Because we need to set what? The source. The source, again, Google, or maybe get a different website. We need small website. Let's make Cisco maybe, or let me think about maybe Cisco.com. Now run. We'll gather information about the target. Okay, we'll start and so far. I will close the session of gathering information, Control C. Just I show you how to gather information, okay, like this. This is required by hackers. They do like this to gather more information. Also can do a zone transfer, okay, to get more information if he can be accessed. So let's select other modules, come back again, okay, enter. Let's go to hacker. Let's say marketplace search. There's one hacker target, something like this. This can get very useful information for the hackers, like zone transfer information, that the servers, the sub-servers, the name servers are related to the same domain, okay, where he after that he conduct boot scanning and to get the vulnerability scanning to get the vulnerability and open port to that one, to that assets, okay, different assets related to the domains. So hacker or hack, whatever, enter. We have this one, copy, then marketplace, install, and this name, enter. Then we need to go to modules and load the same name. I don't know if I can keep. Okay, good, enter. After that, we already inside that. What we need to do, double tap, okay, there's option, then set source will be I don't know, Tesla maybe, Tesla like this, I'm not sure, .com, Tesla.com, or maybe, yeah, Tesla, or maybe different websites. I don't know, any website, any website, maybe bbc.com. Okay, enter. Then we need to run. Okay, run. Okay, enough. So see here, collect the web mail, the IP addresses, and so far. Okay, like this. So I give you now the last module back, and this module look like the attackers doing for attacking brute force. Okay, make back. I can marketplace search for what? For brute force. Brute, okay? Enter. We have how many brute force? We have this for host. We have for suffix, for buffer. Let's take this one for host, for example. Okay. Copy selection. Marketplace. Install this modules. Enter. Now we need to go to modules. Load the same one. Okay, enter. We are loaded. After that, double tap. Okay, again options. We need to set what the source and maybe bbc.com. No. Show this kind of attack. We need to take one, for example, any website related to attack for testing your own website, for example. So I don't have website. Maybe I have this one, but I'll show you. Where is it? I'll show you. Okay. Login. This one. Go to testphp.webcom. Okay, just for testing. But I will not go. I'll show you how to do it. Okay. Because I don't like to make this session so long. Back again to minimize and back again. I will do this one. Enter. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to check again. Double tap. We already make option. Sorry, where is it? We already do option, right? So what we need to now, because this is brute forcing, that means I need to use username and password. What you need to go to here again to this website and right click. If you need to use Hydra, I mean, so also you can use Hydra to access username and password as brute forcing. Go to view page source, go to this information, check. The name should be your name and the password should be pass. Okay, this is used for Hydra command to make brute forcing, but for our purpose we're not to this one. Only we need to go and create. I already created let's open this one. Okay, ls. I created one password for username and one password for passwords. Pass for username and password for passwords. Okay, how I know what cat? Then pass text enter. I have some like this. Maybe in cat pass password enter. I have many. A username, we have these things. Password, we have things. We make a calculation or combination of username and password. Just give you a small example. And the person who need to make a lab, it's better to have your internal lab, because there's some OWASP server. They can give you ready web domains. Okay, URL for web domains. You can do attacking using Hydra or attacking using this one and create a word list. Okay, like username and passwords. What we can do here again, come back. Sorry, this one. Okay, here. After we make option, now we need to make another option. Double tap. We have set again. Double tap. We have, before it has source, right? Now we have word list for the username and passwords. Then word list. Double tap. Nothing. so we need to put the location. Where the location of our, it is here. So ls bwd, we have home Kali, and we have the password text. Okay, home Kali. Okay, back again, we make home Kali, then passwords dot text. Then you need what to make run, and after that we'll see you about the password. But I need to put the username and the password of that domain and text box. Okay, that's show you just the way how to do it. This will take long time if I continue. So we already have 15 minutes. So previous I show you the first session of that Reconnaissance ng, how it installed, how it run, how it some introduction, how we can work and install, search for modules to the modules, and I show you one module there, and now I continue with the modules and show some different modules. I hope you enjoy for this lesson, for this session, sorry, and please don't forget for subscription and likes. Also, if you have any comments, please share in the comment and tell others can get more information and get useful for your comments. Thanks a lot. See you for the next session. Next session, we have to continue our, for example, our information gathering. Okay. Information gathering, maybe we talk about some OSINT, and the subdomain enumeration. We can talk about showdown, multi-go or done, email, how to get email from any website. Okay, and so far. After that, after I finish for information gathering, we can jump for port scanning and environment scanning to get the things. After that, we can start for lab, for hacking lab, to hack, metasploit, internal computers in the networks as an education purpose for ethical hacking. Until you get for next session, enjoy yourself, drink a coffee or tea, sleep well, and see you for next session. Take care. Bye bye.